LangGraph streaming system enables real-time updates by progressively displaying output before a complete response is ready, significantly enhancing user experience when dealing with LLM latency. This mechanism supports various streaming modes, including state updates, subgraph outputs, LLM tokens, custom data, and debugging information, providing flexibility for different use cases. In the upcoming code snippet, we will see how to disable streaming for a specific chat model, which is useful when mixing models that support streaming with those that do not. This involves setting the streaming parameter to false during model initialization, ensuring compatibility and control over the streaming behavior in your application.
From LangChain import ChatOpenAI. Hash set streaming equals false to disable streaming for the chat model. Model equals ChatOpenAI model equals O1 preview. Streaming equals false.
This code demonstrates how to disable streaming for an OpenAI chat model in LangGraph. The ChatOpenAI model is initialized with streaming equals false, which prevents the model from yielding responses token by token. This is useful when you want to receive the complete response at once rather than processing partial outputs, simplifying response handling in scenarios where real-time updates aren't necessary. Disabling streaming can improve performance in batch processing or when working with models that don't support streaming well. However, it removes the ability to show progress to users or process partial results, which might be critical for responsive UIs. The trade-off is between simplicity and user experience, depending on whether immediate feedback is required. Let's break it down line by line.
From LangChain import ChatOpenAI.
Imports the ChatOpenAI class from the LangChain OpenAI module, providing access to OpenAI's chat-based language model functionality within the LangChain framework.
Hash set streaming equals false to disable streaming for the chat model. Model equals ChatOpenAI model equals O1 preview. Streaming equals false.
Creates a ChatOpenAI model instance using the O1 preview model with streaming disabled. The streaming equals false parameter ensures the model will return the complete response at once rather than sending partial responses incrementally. Disabling streaming in LangGraph is a straightforward yet powerful technique for managing response handling in scenarios where real-time updates aren't critical. By setting streaming equals false during model initialization, you're opting for a complete response delivery rather than incremental token streaming. This approach simplifies response processing in batch operations or when integrating models with mixed streaming capabilities. The trade-off is clear. You gain simplicity and potentially better performance in non-interactive contexts, but lose the ability to provide immediate user feedback or process partial results. This configuration choice ultimately balances between operational efficiency and user experience requirements, making it a key consideration when designing LLM-powered applications.
The chat model feasts on tokens in one silent bite, though they rain down like confetti.